Never throw away broken sandals, because with this one simple trick, you can make them stronger again, last longer, and definitely save more. It turns out that just by using this, broken sandals become strong forever. Because there is one secret that you may have never known about the secret that I will make, and you will definitely be amazed by this discovery. So, instead of throwing away your broken sandals right away, it's better to hold on, because in this video, I will give you a simple, fast, and super economical solution that you can do yourself at home without complicated tools. Because here I only use super simple and very easy to find materials, namely LPG rubber seals, Korean glue, and a cigarette. First, we use this rubber seal as an additional lock so that the broken part of the sandal can be stronger and not easily come off again. Then we combine it with Korean glue so that the adhesive power is maximized and long-lasting. Now, what makes this trick unique is that we use cigarette embers to help the process of strengthening and uniting the materials so that the results are stronger. This method is not only simple, but it's also proven to make damaged sandals comfortable again, without fear of them breaking on the street. So with this trick, you're not only repairing your sandals, but you're also saving money and being more creative with the things around you. Make sure you follow each step correctly to get maximum results, because once you try it, you're guaranteed to use this method every time your sandals are damaged. First, we use this rubber seal as an additional lock so that the broken part of the sandal can be stronger and not easily come off again. Then we combine it with Korean glue so that the adhesive power is maximized and long-lasting. This seal is inserted into the loose part of the broken sandal strap, so it can act as an additional lock to prevent the strap from coming loose again. Then combine it with Korean glue to strengthen the adhesive and blend perfectly with the sandal. Press firmly for a few moments until it is completely attached, and ensure it is positioned correctly for a neat and sturdy result when reused. Okay, everyone, pay attention to each of my actions carefully, so that the results look neat and optimal. Don't rush anything, because precision is key. Follow each step with. After the glue is inserted, you wait a moment to make sure the glue has hardened perfectly, so that the results are really strong and do not come off easily when used. Also make sure not to wear them immediately before the glue is completely dry, so that the adhesive power is maximum and the sandals can return to being sturdy as before. Alright, watch my actions carefully and follow each step slowly to keep everything neat. Don't rush the process, because precision matters. Stay focused and patient so the final. After the glue is completely dry, proceed to the next step by inserting a little ember or cigarette ash into the seal hole slowly and carefully, which will help strengthen the bond between the seal and the sandal so that it is more firmly united, making the final result much stronger, neater, and not easily removed when reused. Alright, watch my actions carefully and follow each step slowly to keep everything neat. Don't rush the process, because precision matters. Stay focused and patient so the final result looks clean and well done. After the cigarette embers or ash are inserted, add glue evenly on top so that all components are locked perfectly, so that the bond between the seal, sandal straps, and the base becomes stronger, tighter, and more durable when used. Alright, watch my actions carefully and follow each step slowly to keep everything neat. Don't rush the process, because precision matters. Stay focused and patient so the final result looks clean and well done. Then, let it sit for a while until the glue has completely hardened perfectly, so that all parts are locked firmly and united optimally, so that the results are stronger, neater, and more durable when used again. Now, let's test whether it's really strong. Press and pull gently to make sure all parts are locked perfectly and see the results. The sandals are sturdy again, don't come off easily, and are ready to be worn again without worrying about breaking. The results are truly comfortable to wear, feel strong, not loose, and remain stable when used for daily activities without worrying about breaking again. With this simple method, sandals that were previously damaged can function well again and even feel sturdier than before. You can also try it yourself at home because the materials are easy to find and the steps are very practical to follow. Thank you very much for accompanying me watching until the end. I hope these tips are useful and can help you save more. Don't forget to give suggestions, share your experiences in the comments column, and also write down other interesting ideas that you want to see in the next video.